I have a NuCamp Tag XL 2019 Boondock Edge. Has these wings on the tongue, and I plan to put at least one and maybe two extra propane tanks attached to the wings. So also covering the tanks with a cover, and using this bracket that's designed for off-road and forklifts. I think I can make this work. So I had a couple of spare 19-inch rack panel blanks that I drilled some holes in. These holes are for 5/16, actually a little bit larger, 5/16 holes, to use these 5/16 by 1 3/8 by 2.5, and these fit right around the U-bend on the tag shelf. So drilled the holes, took it over to a friend who had a metal cutting blade on his bandsaw, and cut it up. The bracket has 3 holes in the back. It's hinged, and so 2 of the holes I think are going to line up. We're going to line up, and well, I'm going to have to drill some more holes. We'll start recording again. So I'll use a couple of 5/16 stainless steel bolts with lock nuts and washers, and start fastening this plate to the bracket. Nylox, all stainless steel hardware. The plate is aluminum. The bracket is steel. All right. Let me position that. There, see if I can give you a decent shot as I start working these U-bolts into place. I did also get nylon lock nuts for these U-bolts. Considered putting the plate on the back side, and I might still do that, but for right now I'm going to try it on the front side and see how that works out. So now all I need to do is tighten those down, and this should be in place. Probably need to tighten that up some, but that should work. I'll put a lock on this to lock it to the horseshoe. Probably not. So I'll put a lock on this and lock it to the horseshoe. And see, I can show you. So I got them all tightened up. I want them snug, but I don't want them deforming the horseshoe back here. So I think these are all pretty well snugged up. That should do it. So let's put the tank in. Put that over. Tighten that up just a little bit more. Don't want that coming loose going down the highway. I think that's going to be good. I think that's going to do it. So that's it for putting a propane tank on the wings of the front of the Tag XL Boondock Edge. Thanks for watching.